the VA virtual assistant world has been, a lot of other industries have been using this for a long time.
Yeah.
But how did you, I mean, because to me, like I reached out for you to like ask you questions about this world because it seems like you've understood it for a long time. But I just want you to tell our listeners and viewers of how Julio came to be and then where he is today.
So he's, like I said, he's my paralegal's first cousin, and he grew up in the U.S. He came here when he was 4 years old. He's deported when he's like 30 for something just minor, just nothing. And he's in Mexico and has to like restart his life, okay? And he doesn't have a skill set to make a living in Mexico. He's literally driving a cab, okay? He's making $150, $175 on a really good week working 100 hours, okay? So we bought him a computer, sent him a computer, bought him a headset, bought him 2 monitors, and put him to work as he actually, this was when I kicked off my PFAS campaign in Decatur, and he was my intake.
What does that mean?
Well, so this is the forever chemicals that are all over the news, PFOA, PFOS.
Nick Riley tries those cases and hits big verdicts all over the country. You know,
yeah, they're going to be.
Riley's a buddy of ours.
They're going to be, I mean, they're going to bankrupt some companies. But my home county, Decatur, is the county seat. And the largest manufacturer of PFAS in the world, Decatur 3M, is located there. And so I found out just coincidentally, I'm like reading the news. I'm like, oh, what are forever chemicals? And I look them up and I think like, well, are these in Decatur? And I look it up and like, we're like the hotbed. And so this is before the science has evolved to where it is today. I remember thinking like, there's a case here. And so I ran a lead gen campaign on Facebook and got 100, 200 leads. Shout out Ethan Allstroff for helping me with that and kicking that off. I love Ethan. Ethan's great.
So when you did those lead gen campaigns, was it you doing selfie videos?
Yeah, like super simple. Like seriously,
this fascinates me because he's generating a lot of.
It was like at my desk and literally.
He's a handsome man, for God's sake.
That's part of it. I didn't even have a cowboy hat on.
Yeah, he's a handsome man. If I did a lead gen campaign with this face, I'd be like bragging about I got 3 leads.
I'll be your spokesperson. Yeah, it's literally like if you or a loved one have a serious medical condition, it may be related to the water. Click the link below for more information. I'm like, that's it. You know, and we have since then we've expanded our creative. We do some more educational stuff. But anyway, so we run that campaign. It crushes it. You know, I'm paying Ethan, working with Ethan, and I realized like, if I had Julio or somebody in the house, like I could do everything myself. And like me and Ethan take care of each other. It's cool. And so that's what Julio did like the first 2 months, and he crushed it. We've had 1,500 roughly. I haven't looked in 2 months, but we probably had 1,700, 1,800 leads come in since we started this campaign. Julio's talked to every single person, qualified them, and converted all but 2 or 3 leads that we wanted. Yeah, crushed it. He's got a great personality, perfect English. If you call my office right now, you would never, other than us talking about this, you'd think he's in Huntsville sitting with me. And so he earned my trust through all that. And now he still does that on the side when we run lead gen campaigns. We take some stuff off his plate so we can focus on that. But he's a case manager, and he manages we call it our district court division is 20,000 and below cases and clear policy limits cases. And he runs them autonomously. We meet once a week for 30 minutes to talk through the case, the things that he wants to talk to me about, set values on cases. I look at all his cases once a month to just make sure everything's moving along. And like he runs autonomously. And honestly, the 25,000 and below cases that he handles is more profitable than any other team or division that we have in my firm once you account for attorney time and things like that.